सो हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। एंड अभी मैं हूँ गोवा में। एंड अभी जैसा कि दिख रहा होगा आपको, नॉर्थ गोवा वाला पार्ट है। यहाँ पे पैरा रोड के पास में ही खड़ा हुआ हूँ। एंड अभी मैं निकलने वाला हूँ गोवा के बहुत ही लाइक अनएक्सप्लोर्ड जो जगह है वो है साउथ गोवा साइड में ही। साउथ गोवा और नॉर्थ के एक्चुअली बीच में पड़ता है। ये है अपना सहकारी स्पाइस फार्म करके है। वहाँ पे बेसिकली सारे आपको स्पाइस की डिटेल्स और बहुत कुछ है, मतलब वहाँ पे काफ़ी कुछ है देखने के लिए। वो मैं आपको वहीं चल के ही बताता हूँ। एक्सप्लोर करते हैं गोवा के ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस एंड ब्यूटीफुल व्यूज़। और जैसा कि मैंने बताया, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं सहकारी स्पाइस फार्म्स। तो मिलते हैं अब आगे। और ये आ चुका है, काफ़ी सीनिक सा हिली रोड आ चुकी है। अभी हम हैं अराउंड 12 किलोमीटर पहले और हमें जाना है पोंडा साइड में। सो फाइनली हम लोग आ चुके हैं अपने लोकेशन पे। एंड यहाँ पार्किंग गाड़ी आप साइड में लगा सकते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है। हम बाकी अंदर चलते हैं, टिकट लेते हैं और देखते हैं क्या कुछ है यहाँ एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए। सो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं एंड 500 पर पर्सन का टिकट अपना यहाँ से ले लिया है, जिसमें लंच इंक्लूडेड है एंड गाइडेड टूर। तो चलते हैं अब अंदर, देखते हैं क्या कुछ एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए। लेट्स गो। सो इधर एंट्री एंड जो भी इसका लंच का है चार्जेस वो है 500। बाकी जा रहे हैं अभी अंदर। धूप थोड़ी सी कम हो गई है बट अभी भी है तेज़। और यहाँ अपने को मिली है लेमन ग्रास टी। इसके बाद अंदर अपना टूर चालू होगा उधर से। एज वी आर ऑन टूर एंड अभी हमारे गाइड अपने को बताएंगे डिटेल्स।
So sir, ma'am, first let me briefly introduce you to the plantation. Plantation is about 300 years old. 7th generation of our owner is taking care of the plantation. Started for tourists for last 20 years. The Sahakari is the name of owner. It's not government cooperative, it's private.
तो ये जो हमें पेड़ दिखाया है ये है बीटल नट ट्री। एंड इसमें इन्होंने बताया जो इसका जो सीड रहता है वो काइंड ऑफ एल्कोहल की तरह भी काम करेगा, 30 ml विस्की की तरह। एंड लाइक दिस पार्ट वी कैन यूज टू डिटरमाइन द एज ऑफ ट्री। एंड ट्री इज़ लाइक वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल। सो इसको आसपास ही उगाते हैं। लाइक एक ट्री से दूसरे ट्री अगर जाना हो तो नीचे उतर के नहीं आता, जो कोई ऊपर चढ़ता है डायरेक्ट जंप।
Sir, madam, this is the first spice product I'm going to show you. Is tree of nutmeg.
Oh wow.
Nutmeg.
Yeah.
I can show you growing
Yeah, please.
over here. Those lemon-like fruits you
Yeah,
can see.
yeah.
That's nutmeg.
Oh.
Nutmeg. So, once it is ready, it will grow bigger. It break open on the tree. Inside you first find a red flower. When you peel out the flower, inside you will find a nut. Flower we call it as a maize flower in English.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know tear gas?
Yeah.
Tear gas, pepper spray, maize sprays. They used to use mace. Used to, not now. So even in our cooking we use mace. Nutmeg, it is banned in some other countries. Totally stopped. Because in some countries what the people do, they crush the nut, they make powder, they roll it in cigarette and they smoke. They make you high.
Yeah.
Even accidentally while cooking, if you use too much in food
Yeah,
and if you eat it, makes your head heavy and feel dizzy. Medicinal uses are if the person is going from diarrhea, dysentery, take a glass of water, pinch of nutmeg, stir it, give it to them thrice a day. It will take care of dysentery, diarrhea, dehydration. Even it's good for gouts.
Dehydration also.
Yes. Even it's good for gouts. Gouts, you know, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Gatia.
Yeah. For them, you can suggest take some nutmeg powder, add a little ginger paste, and squeeze a lime on above. Mix it, apply it. Please don't tell them to eat it. Because the intake of nutmeg in that quantity is not good. Okay. And sir, madam, in India we have small tradition. You must have seen movies, right? Any movie, Indian movie. In movie there is a scene after wedding. They show the bride is going in groom's room with a glass of milk in hand. Milk contains some saffron on top. Actually, it contains some nutmeg powder, milk, saffron. Mixture of all these three can work as aphrodisiac for men. Okay. That's why we call nutmeg. It is secret of India's population. But that too, you have to use very carefully, just in pinch. If you use the entire teaspoon, no aphrodisiac, no nothing, man will straight go to sleep.
Yeah, toxic.
Black color things you can see hanging on the top. Okay. So actually, first it comes into green color.
Where is
Once,
Where? It's already
Over
broke
there
open,
also.
the fruit.
ma'am, actually it comes into green color.
Yeah.
Once it is ready, it turns into yellow color.
Yeah.
Yellow color,
Right.
previously they used to harvest, cut it, they used to take out the seeds, dry, And when I joined here as a guide and all, that time, ma'am, I've seen that process. They used to dry and they used to send it to Nestle India, just close over here. The Kit Kat plant is over here. Sir. Okay, now what is the issues? I don't know. So I'm just a small employee. It's the top management who took the decision. So they stopped sending it to Nestle. They don't harvest. That's why you can see it is turned into black color.
So there is still fruit inside it, or it's
No, ma'am, it is wasted.
Now it's wasted.
wasted.
Once it is yellow, you should harvest, cut it, take out the seeds.
That's
So
the
green,
right
yellow, and
time.
then brown it becomes.
Brown means it is wasted, sir.
Done.
Sir,
There's
yeah,
one more, the fruit on the tree, or no?
ma'am, that is small
Fresh
fruit.
one maybe,
Fresh ones are just appearing. You see over here.
just appearing. Oh, okay. Wow.
The coffee beans on the tree. So first they come into green. Once it is ready, it turns into red. Red we harvest, dry process. Then you get the smell of coffee. If you try to smell it right now, so there will be no smell of coffee. So this coffee we call as Arabica variety coffee. That is only coffee can be grown in this region. There's blueberry, robusta, many different varieties. It mostly grows in other parts of India. Sir. Okay, it's coffee. But I can give you a piece of leaf. Crush it, smell it. Crush it and smell it. Huh?
Yes. Tej patta.
Cinnamon, ma'am. I'll tell you on bay leaf. No, not tej patta.
सिनेमन लग रहेगा.
Crush it, smell it and pass it on.
हिंदी में इसका तेज पत्ता, लेकिन हिंदी we call it something else, right?
No. Sir, this is not tej patta.
Okay.
This is cinnamon, dalchini.
दालचीनी, yes.
Yes.
So it is दालचीनी.
No. Sir, leaves are just given you for the smell, sir. Cinnamon is straight, sir. It's outer bark of the tree. Sir, when the tree will grow like big tree, what we do, we cut the branch, slit, sun dry. After sun drying, the outer skin will go. That is cinnamon, which you use in food. From remaining bark, they extract oil of cinnamon, which is said to be good for joint pain, muscle pain, back pain, spondylitis, arthritis, all muscle diseases. But oil, what you get over here, it's too concentrated, cannot be used directly. So person should dilute with some base oil and apply it on the affected area. Do the massage nearly for 10-15 minutes. This makes blood capillaries active, blood in the veins get diluted, person get relief out of the pain. That's how it works. That's the cinnamon. And bay leaf, ma'am, we don't grow it over here. Bay tree can be only grown in Europe and all those countries. Or in India, it's in deep north, J&K, Himachal, those states. So, well, there's a cold weather throughout the year. Importing from there over here, it will be very expensive for us in south. So what we do, we use cinnamon leaf instead of bay leaves, substitute. And third is cashew. There are three main cultivations. Sir.
For selling or like?
For wholesaling, sir. That's so. If you go and ask for the betel nut, he will ask you how many tons you want.
Oh.
That, in that way, sir. Betel nut they sell in that way. The rest of the spices and all they will sell it in very few, sir. Because spices, this kind of plantation you cannot get huge amount of production. Okay, sir, madam, just general question. Do you know most expensive spice in the world? Saffron. So it doesn't grow over here because it comes from a flower known as crocus. Crocus require -2 temperature to bloom the flower. Okay, we don't have any minus temperature, sir. You can see. Okay. This is our winter. What we have is the second expensive spice. Do you know? We mostly use it on ice creams.
Vanilla. Vanilla bean.
This is the creeper of vanilla. This 1, 2, 3, 4 is all the climbers are vanilla.
Leaves.
Sir, yeah. Leaves, okay. Flowers. Flowers you need to keep on hand pollinating each and every flower. Okay, then you'll find that vanilla beans are growing. Vanilla beans require nearly 3 months to get them ready. So once they are ready, we pluck them, we dry those beans for nearly 2 months, and after drying those beans, you'll get the smell of vanilla. Now that one leaves won't give you any smell. From the dried vanilla beans, they extract the oil of vanilla. From nearly 35-40,000 of those dried beans can give you only 1 liter of vanilla oil. So total over the world, actual oil is extracted. 50% is used by pharmaceutical companies. 30% is used in a Pepsi, Coca-Cola company. Rest 20% goes to the perfume industries and all. So what you get in cake, ice cream, that is synthetic oil, fake vanilla. Essence they call it. So that is why it is cheap. So if you want to purchase a pure oil of vanilla, 100 ml bottle. So that day one of my guests told me, he was from US somewhere, he bought it. So he bought 100 ml for nearly $80. That too you have to purchase from UK, US, because those are the only two countries which can produce the pure oil of vanilla. So but what you can do instead of purchasing that so expensive oil, you can purchase those vanilla beans. Those are cheaper.
They are genuine, what you get?
Ma'am, here you will get the genuine. Yeah, on Amazon also you can buy it, but I don't know the Amazon authenticity of Amazon, ma'am. Okay. The vanilla beans you can take, make a small cut. You come to know about it. Cut it, put in sweet dishes, go for next vanilla bean. That is the cheapest way you can use natural vanillas.
The vanilla bean, we have to save it in fridge or?
Fridge, ma'am. Mostly, if you live in this south part of India and mostly on the seaside, ma'am, the humidity will be very high. So it will get fungus. So that's why I told you to keep it in fridge area. Freezer. No. So green cardamom doesn't grow on top. It will be down here in shoots. Okay, this will come during the peak monsoon time. July, August, September is the time to harvest it. Okay. First it gives you a tiny flower, then flower itself into cardamom. Inner seeds of cardamom good for mental depression, outer skin is good for memory. Whenever you use it, crush the entire cardamom, the skin, and put in the tea, coffee, milk, it will have a nice taste.
It is much under these roots.
No, ma'am. Here, shoots.
Oh, wow.
These are the roots. This is shoot. Shoot is just above the ground.
So it will grow on it like
Ma'am,
a
a single pod.
Cluster, okay.
Ma'am, this shoot will grow this big. Okay, and on this single branches will appear. And it will give a tiny white flower. Cloves, lavang.
Long, yes.
Crush it, smell it.
Clove.
Crush it, smell it, pass it on. Huh?
उसको दो याद आप
Yes.
जो आप देखो लेडीज आइटम है
Yes. Crush it, smell it, pass it on.
ला देखो महक रहा नहीं स्मेल है
Because once the flower blooms up, it is not used as a clove. In English, you always write it as clove, but in bud stage, you have to harvest it. They harvest, send it to factory, and factory they extract oil. Mostly oil used by your dentist for toothache, toothpain is clove oil. So even if you have toothache, toothpain in night and you don't have clove oil, mancha clove, it can take care of the toothache, toothpain. Temporarily, remember this. So next day you have to go to dentist. Recently they have found there are two kinds of cloves. One is black, another is brown. The brown with the ball on top, it is the best. Because what these people do when they extract oil, they dry, they keep it for reselling. Color turns into black color, upper ball will be gone. Remember this, when you're going to purchase a clove in market, always go for a brown with a ball on top. It is the best. You can see growing. Yeah, do you know Goa was in the Portuguese?
Yeah.
Portuguese have brought this plant to Goa.
Yes.
In Goa, we call chili as a Portuguese chili. India, outside India, they call it as a peri-peri chili.
Oh,
Peri-peri chicken sauce comes from this chili.
very slush.
Chilies are rich in vitamin C. It is the maximum size of chili. The red one you can see.
Oh, that's maximum.
No, red.
Yeah.
Green, red comes from the same size. Like creeper climbing, and you can see some corns hanging around.
Yeah.
There are corns of pepper.
Black pepper.
Black, green, red, white, all it comes from same. Only different way we make it. First they come into green color like this. Once they are ready, they'll turn into red color. This green, red, if you harvest, if you put them in salt water and keep it for around 8 to 9 days, color will not change. It will remain the same. That is a green red pepper. So this green, if you harvest now, keep for drying in sun. Color turns into black color, black pepper. A red one, if you harvest, put them in water, boil the water. Outer skin red goes, inside you'll find a white pepper. White is the mildest. Black is the hottest. Since it was the first spice discovered in the entire world, it is called as king of the spice.
ये बेल है
Yes, sir. Sir, I've shown you lots of spice plants. Crush it, smell it, and tell me which spice it is.
It's not a spice plant.
It is a spice.
It is a spice plant.
It is a spice plant, man. Crush it. I'll give you a leaf. It gives you a fruit like berry. Once berry ripes, you pluck, dry it. After drying, the berry becomes hard. So make crushed down to make powder. Powder over here in India, we call it the garam masala. Actually, they make garam masala by mixing many spices. This one tree gives you fragrance of several spices. That's why I gave you the leaf. Every time you crush it, smell it, the smell changes. Most of Chinese cooking, they use it as a 5-spice, allspice. Originally, the tree is from Jamaica. So most of the American people, they call it Jamaican pepper as well. It's the same. My owner's my boss. Huh? Sir, this is their ancestral house of the owner. And one who used to live in the house, sir, they started plantation. Why they started spice plantation in particularly, sir, for their own use. This was not started as a commercial plantation. Sir, because have you noticed this area, sir, it's little away from city market. Sir, now and then you cannot go to city market. During that time, 300 years ago, sir, they used to go walking to city to buy some food. So when you go to buy some food today also in market, sir, food grains a person can remember. Or chicken, meat you can remember. Because you have to buy in bulk, like 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg. So spices is the only thing you will never remember. Because you have to buy as per your taste. Yeah, it has to happen with them as well, sir. Most of the time they used to forget this or that spice. Once they were back, it was not possible for them to go to the city. So what he started doing, he started growing one spice besides the house. Even if they forget, they can pluck, process and they can use. Process means what? Pluck and dry. That is only process. So after many years, it has grown into big plantation. That is the reason. Have you noticed, sir? Plantation is mixed together. Means one tree there, one tree here, one tree there. It is not technically grown plantation, sir. Just grown it for their own use.
Normally people grow all together.
Yes, sir.
Together and
Yes, sir. That is the commercial way. That's
There are a lot
technical
of
way.
these
Of.
beetle nut ones.
Ma'am, that is actually a cash crop over here. Betel nut, coconut.
Sold in tons.
Yeah,
too,
like
so that's
look at
why.
them how they are.
And right now, that generation, they live in that big orange house over there, sir. Now they have money, no, sir. Behind those trees, right?
Okay.
And now these people have made it commercialized. Means they appointed guides like us. I've done a small course in Ayurvedic medicine. That's why I can tell you the medicinal use of spices. So we people, we work for them. This tour and all, we conduct for them. They pay me some money for doing the steps and all. Rest we get it on tipping and all. So means guest if they like our tour, they give some tipping and all. But initially it was the idea. His name itself is Mr. Madhav Sahakari. He lives over there. Sahakari plantation. So entire property belongs to them. And this is spice area. Sir, if you go over there, you will find a road in between. Other side of the road, property belongs to them. Entire mountain belongs to them. Sir, there they have grown cashews and all. That is for total commercialization.
So they own the entire land here as well
Yes,
as that
sir.
part.
Yeah. So from the gate till uphill is 130 acres of land, sir. Over here. Right now they are drying the betel nuts. There also. So once it turns into orange color, you should harvest and you should dry it over there like that. Then they transfer it.
That up there on the chat.
So this is next stage after that.
Yes, sir.
From there, orange.
Then you have to peel the skin off. Middle seed they eat betel nut. Like that they peel, sir. Yes. Middle seed, chew it, betel. Sir, ma'am, have you seen cashew fruit?
No, I want to see.
If you want to see, ma'am, this is what it looks like.
Kaju, yes.
Oh, yeah.
This comes mostly in summer season, sir. March, April, May. Up the fruit, down the nut is there. It is only fruit after strawberry which gives you nut outside the fruit. One fruit gives you one nut. That's why the cashew nut is so expensive. So nut we separate, it goes to factory for further processing. Then they break the shell inside, you get eating nut. So from fruit we distill a local alcohol over here.
Feni.
Sir, here they make it. Sir, this is a distillery of Feni, or my seniors used to call this as nuclear reactor as well, sir. Okay, so first what they do, they put the fruit in this machine. This is a juicer. So juice will come out, is collected in the barrels, cashew juice, and kept for fermentation for around 6 days. 7th day, that fermented juice will go in this copper vessel and they will heat it from within. Now, if you come during the season time, like March, April, you will be able to see this both is connected. So once you start heating, vapor will rise, will go in a condense and vapor begins to condense. This is called a distillation. First distill, what we get, we call them as urag. Urag contain 10-15% of alcohol. That 50% of urag, 50% of ferment juice, they mix it, put in the vessel, they'll heat it. Second distillate is known as Feni. Feni contains nearly 35-40% of alcohol. Little bit of Feni, if you have it neat, is good for cold, cough, even is good for upset stomach. Little bit, huh? If you have it in glasses, then you all start dancing with that mixture. Okay. So, but there is a saying that if you come to Goa and you not tasted Feni, it says that your trip to Goa remained as incomplete trip. Have you tasted it? Would you like to? Would you like to taste? So once we finish the tour, just tell me. I'll give a small shot to all of you.
Yeah.
Shoot it, huh? Don't smell the drink. It smells horrible. Just gulp it. At the end of the buffet, there will be a red color drink called as kokum curry.
Yeah.
Sir, ma'am, this is tree of kokum. This one. This is jackfruit. This is small tree. Besides it is kokum. Kokum means it gives you fruit.
Yeah.
First it comes into green color. Once it is ready, it turns into red color. Red we harvest. Take out the outer skin then dried up. And from dried outer skin, that kokum curry is made. You should drink it after the meal. It's good for digestion. It's a little sour in taste. Okay. From the rest of the pulp, they extract the juice of kokum. They add a little cumin powder and sugar. It will keep you cool in this hot weather conditions.
Lobster's claw.
Previously, before the pandemic, sir, they used to have elephant wash over here. Means wash of the elephant will go in water. The steps and all were created to elephant to go down in water. First she'll go down, she'll lie down over there. First you have to go and wash elephant. Then elephant washes you, sir. That used to happen. So now they say, the government said this kind of animal you cannot use for tourists. So they came and I took the elephant. So that's why this bridge is a little heighted. So elephant can go under. We're going to have a small tradition over here. So previously we used to walk in farm, we used to feel tired, same like you people. So what we used to do is to go there and jump in water. Right now I cannot tell you, go jump in water, it will be a foolish thing for me. So what we have done just to modernize this tradition. We have examined human beings when you walk in farm or you walk for long distance in this heat, humidity. So what actually happens, your muscles surrounding spinal column get expanded, you feel tired. So what I'll do once you go there, I'll just pour a little water on your spine. So muscle surrounding spinal column get contracted, you'll get rid from your tiredness. That will also complete our tradition that if you're not going to jump in water, water can come to you as well. And sir, ma'am, thank you for being so patient with me. Then I will give you the finish shots. Turn, turn, turn. Be straight, huh, sir?
Calm now.
So here we have Penny shots. Cheers.
Cheers.
तो गाइस ऐसा कुछ था यहाँ का टूर। लाइक इनका टूर हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों लैंग्वेज में अवेलेबल है, बट मैंने इंग्लिश वाला सिलेक्ट किया था तो उन्होंने इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन किया। एंड काफ़ी अच्छी जगह, आई विल रिकमेंड कि यहाँ पे ज़रूर विज़िट करें। लाइक इनका जो लंच भी इन्होंने कराया वो भी बहुत अच्छा सा था और ओवरऑल बहुत ही प्यारा है। लाइक अगर यहाँ नहीं आता मैं मिस कर देता। मुझे मेरे एक फ्रेंड ने भानु, उन्होंने रिकमेंड किया तो इसलिए इधर आ गया। बट बहुत ही प्यारी जगह और चलते हैं, आप कुछ और एक्सप्लोर करेंगे किसी नए ब्लॉग में। मिलते हैं फिर, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, ओवर एंड आउट।